Alright, I am Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I am going to show you a very special Model 1591 in this video. This is a Blackside 1591. Never seen one of these before, and as far as I know, it's authentic. I have no reason to believe it's not. It has the black face, black slide plate, black needle plate, black presser bar here, presser lift, black needle clamp, black foot attaching screw, black stitch lever, black stop screw, and even the bobbin spool pin was black at one time. It's now got a little bit of surface rust on it. Very, very neat machine. Comes with Blackside bobbins, a Blackside hammer foot, and black mounting hinges. These were actually in the machine, in the cabinet with the machine. Also has a ruffler, binder, and a fabric guide. Very, very good working condition. Overall, it's fair to good cosmetically. Has a paint ding here. The decals are fair to good. There's a little wear right here on the front. Decals are nice here. Not bright, but nice. And no real cracking or crazing starting yet on the painted surface. It's still very good. Excellent working condition. Just serviced, lubed, and ready to go. Of course, the 1591, oh yes, and it also comes with original instruction manual. 1591 will take up to a size 21 needle, and of course it is just a straight stitch. Forward and reverse speed. Tabletop ready, or of course it'll go in a finger cabinet or carrying case. Nice machine, smooth. I need to tweak the tension a little bit. 6 layers of denim. I'm using only a size 16 needle for these samples. Perfect stitch on 6 layers of denim. 3 layers of garment leather. Kind of get up over the hump there. And cut this one. And that is your Blackside Singer 1591.